So we hop into Onshape. We're going to add a cube. You're going to make it 15 by 15 by 50. And this is going to be pretty simple. And then what we are going to do is we are going to add in a cylinder. And we are going to just pop it in there and make it pop out. Just like this. We're going to make the cylinder a little bit smaller. Instead of 15, let's do 10 by 10. And we're going to make it 40. Perfect. So this is one, and then we're going to combine these together. So we are going to hold Shift, select both of them, right click, click merge, and then we are going to do mesh boolean 1 to 2 union. Boom, that's one part. Next, we are going to add in another cube. We're going to make this one a little bit bigger. Click S for scale. We're going to do 17 by 50 again, and we're going to do 17 here. And then we are going to add, we're actually going to click on it, and we're going to add in a negative part, which will be the cylinder. I'll put that over there, and again, scale, we're going to make this 15 by 15 by, so we'll just make it go through the whole thing, 40. That works pretty well. That looks good. Let's make sure these are in the right spot. So we are going to move this. We're going to center this. I don't care about that. We're going to make this 20. Oops, let's make this 40. And this one we are going to make 42. And this negative part, we're 15 away from there. I guess that's fine. Let's make it 16. Negative 16. So here's our positive and here's our negative. Clone, enter, clone, enter. And let's make sure everything looks good in the slicing program. Good. Oh, no, we're missing these walls. Okay, so we gotta go fix that. So we're gonna move this to 0. And we're gonna go here, I'm gonna move this to 0. Now we're gonna slice the plate. Okay, good. How thick are these walls? They are pretty thin. Let me just make them a little bit bigger. Scale. Oh, 18. We're gonna make the scale 18 also. Slice plate. They're still pretty thin. But they should be good enough for. They're still pretty thin because this thing grew with it. Just make this 15 by 15. I'm gonna make this thing 15 by 15. Now we're going to slice plate. Perfect. Now they look much thicker. Okay, and these look pretty good. And I'm going to print these in pink because my wife likes pink. They look good. The walls right over here are thick. That's exactly what we need. And it's perfect.
So now we are going to use these and attach these to here with my little new cabinet drawer. I'm just going to use some hot glue. You know, the simplest way is just the best. oops. I kind of had to do it at the end here because I realized this piece won't be able to twist if it's up against the wall. That's because I didn't make these corners round. I made them square. I could have done that just by adding a circle, but I didn't realize that. Okay, we got one. Okay, now I gotta figure out the exact spot to put this in. Well, actually, this one doesn't really matter. I'll just do it right here. Figure out this one. Okay, and here we go for the moment of truth. Okay, and I just fixed my cabinet with 3D printing without any CAD design. I made them specifically in pink so that my wife would like it. But yeah, this was simple. Obviously, no one's going to use cardboard, but this is the concept that you could make useful parts without any CAD design with using 3D printing, actually. That one should have been lower, but whatever, it's all whatever. Yeah, there we go.